standard, and on 28th of Feb 2026 you are going to have your science exam. उसी के IMP लेके आई हूँ, and in this we are going to see 4 marker question, 3 marker question and objectives also. And for this we are going to give you some important tips also and how you are going to prepare for your exam. So stay tuned till the end of the session. So let's get started. You are on that channel which is the most reliable channel, that is TDY, The Diwali Pura Youth, जिस पर 20,50,000 से भी ज्यादा बच्चों ने विश्वास किया है और उनका विश्वास उनके मार्क्स में मिला है उनको. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट रिलायबल चैनल जिसको आपने अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Going for the next, on 28th of Feb, you are going to have your science exam, and in that preparation को कैसे करें, I'm going to tell you. So let's see. Okay, now science question paper you would be having section D जो 20 marks का होगा, and in that 20 marks each question would be having 4 mark. तो ऐसे 5 क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं और इसी 5 क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए मैं आपको बोलने वाली हूँ कि टोटल कितने क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. आपको टोटल पूछे जाएंगे 8 क्वेश्चंस और इसी 8 क्वेश्चंस में से यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस, राइट. और ये 5 क्वेश्चंस जो 4 मार्कर है वो कौन से चैप्टर में से आएंगे, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 2, 4, 5, 10, 12 एंड 13, राइट. और जहां जहां चैप्टर के ऊपर एस्ट्रिक लगाया हुआ है दैट चैप्टर वुड बी कंटेनिंग 2 क्वेश्चंस, मतलब उस चैप्टर में से 2 क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. अब आपको मैं स्पेसिफिकली बताऊंगी कि हर एक चैप्टर में से कौन सा लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आपको मिस नहीं करना है, मतलब उसकी तैयारी तो बेस्ट होनी ही चाहिए. इसके साथ आई वुड ऑल्सो बी टेलिंग यू देयर वुड बी 2 स्टार क्वेश्चंस जिसको आपको मिस नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट वेल, राइट. सो लेट्स सी व्हिच आर दोस क्वेश्चंस. इसके पहले मैं आपको बता दूं दैट देयर इज गोइंग टू बी वन वावाजुडू. मतलब अभी तो हम आईएमपी आपको दे रहे हैं, लेकिन आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के पहले वाले दिन फॉर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स अर्ली मॉर्निंग 5:30 देयर वुड बी वन सेशन जिसका नाम है वावाजुडू, एंड दैट वावाजुडू लाने वाला है lots of marks, right? So don't miss out that session. In that we give you the best tips, tricks and questions which are important for your board exams. So here it would be for 10th standard also, it would be for 12th standard also, it would be for English medium also and for Gujarati medium also. Gujarati medium के students के लिए उस एग्जाम की पहली वाली रात को 9 बजे वावाजुडू आने वाला है, लेकिन इंग्लिश मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिस दिन आपकी एग्जाम है उसके अर्ली मॉर्निंग 5:30 को वावाजुडू स्पेशली फॉर द इंग्लिश मीडियम is going to come. So you all have to join it, right? Come on, let's go for the next part. Here we are coming to chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 acid bases and salts, जिसके क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं on question number 47 and 48. So 47 and 48 may hold these questions. इसके अंदर the star questions are most important. So let's see which are those questions. First one, explain the preparation of bleaching powder with a chemical equation and write its uses. Second one, the compounds like alcohol and glucose contains hydrogen but are not categorized as acid. Describe an activity to prove that. Next question that you don't have to miss, and we have marked it as a star. That means if you have prepared it, revise it and go. Which is that one? That is, describe an experiment with a diagram showing the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid. Write the equation for the reaction of zinc with sodium hydroxide. Coming for the fourth one, which give information about pH scale and explain the importance of pH scale in human digestive system. Here specifically they have asked for human digestive system. The fifth one is write the preparation of baking soda and 4 uses of it. Okay, 4 uses of it स्पेसिफिकली लिखना जरूरी है. Coming for the next one, sixth question, which is again star marked. So prepare it double well, right? Which is that describe an experiment which a diagram showing the reaction of sodium carbonate with dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, very important, and prepare it, write it well. Coming for the next, answer the following questions. A, that is explain the importance of pH in soil. And the next one is explain the importance of pH in remedy for the effect of honeybee sting. Over here, 2 marks questions are included in 4-mark question, which was also a pattern included last year in the paper. So for chapter number 2, you don't have to miss this. Moving for the next one, chapter 4, carbon and its compound, जिसके क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 में. आपके बोर्ड पेपर के क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 में क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड आ सकते हैं, जिसमें से ये है यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस, एंड अगेन वी हैव 2 स्टार इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट वन, एक्सप्लेन द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ क्लीनिंग एक्शन ऑफ सोप. Second one, answer the following question. Again, 2 mark question, right? Answer what are the structural isomers and draw the structural isomers of butane. And उसके साथ what is an addition reaction and explain it with example. Example is important to be given. Next, answer the following questions. A, describe the esterification reaction with a chemical equation and give the molecular formula of cyclopentene and draw its electron dot structure. Coming for one of the important, that is what is covalent bond, and explain the formation of covalent bond in methane and in nitrogen. Very important and easy also, don't miss this. Moving for the next one, give differences of soap and detergent, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons are the 2 questions that can be asked in 2 marks. And the 6th one, again important and star marked, which is explain the oxidation of ethanol and write the physical properties and uses of ethanol. These are the questions from chapter number 4. And coming for the chapter number 5, whose question can be asked on question number 50 and 51 of your board exams, right? Which are the question? Question number 1, draw a well-labeled diagram of human digestive system and describe the process of digestion in small intestine. And it is star marks. Students, star marks means preparing that very well. Coming to the second one, what is excretion? Draw a diagram of human excretory system and describe its structure. Now the third one is, again it is a star mark, that means the one that you have to do it very well, and that is draw a label diagram showing the internal structure of human heart. Practice doing human heart and explain the circulation of blood through it. Important and has to be practiced well. Coming for the fourth one, state the functions of saliva, bile juice, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice in the human digestive system. Each and every has to be specified very well. Coming for the fifth one, explain the human respiratory system. Explain the mechanism of breathing, that is inhalation and explanation and exhalation in humans. For the sixth one, answer the following question. Again, 2 mark question. Which are those? What is the role of dilute hydrochloric acid in our stomach? And the second one is, what is the function of mucus and pepsin? They have asked separately, found in the gastric juice. What is their function? And the last question is seventh one. Answer the following question. A, what are the components of the transport system in highly organized plants? And the second one, write their functions. With B, what is the difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition? These were the questions of chapter 5. Before that, in this video, I am going to help out with 4 marker question and 3 marker question. इस वीडियो में 3 marker, 4 marker तो क्लियर हो जाएगा, लेकिन 2 marker और ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए क्या, कहाँ से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, उसका सॉल्यूशन है देव सत्य पेपर सेट. देव सत्य पेपर सेट इज नाउ अवेलेबल इन पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट इन ओनली 149 रुपीज एंड दैट टू मच चीपर दैन वन पिज्जा ऑल्सो. और ये अभी इसका पॉजिटिव पॉइंट क्या है पता है, पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में अवेलेबल है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसकी लिंक है एंड जस्ट एक क्लिक करने से और पेमेंट करने से विद इन 10 मिनट्स ओनली you can get this PDF of Dev Satya paper set और आपकी 2 मार्कर क्वेश्चन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव की प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी आज ही. सो फटाफट से क्लिक करो एंड गेट इट. अगर 10 मिनट वेट करने से या कुछ ऐसा हो गया कि आपको ये PDF अवेलेबल नहीं हुई, देन यू कैन डू व्हाट्सएप ऑन दिस नंबर, दैट इज 9998339958, or you can mail it on diwalipurayouth@gmail.com, right? Coming for chapter number 10, that is human eye and colorful world, जिसके क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं on question number 52 of your board exams. Let's see which are those questions. And the first question is very important. It is star marked. See, which is that question? What is hypermetropia and state the causes of this defect. Explain how it can be corrected with suitable diagram. Diagram is important. The second one comes like the student sitting on the last bench has difficulty reading the writing on the blackboard. From which defect of vision is this student suffering? Explain its correction with the diagram. You have to find out, and diagram also you need to draw. For the next one, explain the formation of a rainbow in the sky with diagram. So in these diagrams are important. And the fourth question is star marked, very important. Which is that? Answer the following question. Explain the reason for advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. And what is meant by scattering of light, and on which factor does it depend? Moving for the fifth one, what is dispersion of light? Describe the phenomena of dispersion of light through a prism with the diagram. Diagrams are very important in this chapter, right? And answer the following questions. 2 marks, 2 questions are going to be asked. The first one is, why is the color of clear sky blue? And the next one, stars twinkle but planets do not twinkle. Explain. These are those questions of chapter number 10. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि इस डायग्राम वाले क्वेश्चंस के ऑप्शन में विजन डिसेबिलिटी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और एक क्वेश्चन होगा, लेकिन दैट वुड बी फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव सम प्रॉब्लम इन देयर साइट, नॉट फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स जिसको रेगुलर क्वेश्चन में डायग्राम नहीं आता है और वो ऑप्ट करते हैं तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. दोज वुड बी ओनली फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे लिखा होगा फॉर ब्लाइंड स्टूडेंट्स. सो डोंट गो एंड ऑप्ट फॉर दैट थिंकिंग दैट डायग्राम नहीं आता है तो ये क्वेश्चन कर ले तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. ठीक है, आपके लिए जो क्वेश्चन है वही आपको लिखना होगा. मूविंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. Chapter number 12, magnetic effect of electric current. Which question is going to be asked on question number 53 of your board exams? कौन से है? We have 6 questions. We don't give the entire textbook. We don't give each and every questions. We give precise question. That question preparation करते हैं, you will get confidence, and उसमें से questions आते हैं, and you will get your full marks. Which are those questions? Let's see. What are the magnetic field lines? And draw magnetic field lines around a bar magnet and list the properties of magnetic field lines. You also have to describe the properties, and this one is a star question, and this is having 3 different questions included in a single question, so it is important, right? Moving for the second one, what is a solenoid? And draw a diagram and state the characteristic of the magnetic field produced by the current carrying solenoid. So important. Next, explain the domestic electric circuit with diagram. The fourth one, the very important, the star marked one, that is answer the following question. Which are those 2? Those are, what is an electric fuse and how does it function? And the next one is, state the precautions to be taken while using an electricity. Okay, moving for the fifth one, answer the following question. First one, A, explain the short circuiting and overloading briefly, and the B, what is the function of an earth wire and why it is necessary to earth metallic appliances. क्यों जरूरी है? Important, चल फटाफट से learn करना. And sixth one, answer the following questions. First one, what is an electromagnet or on which principle does it work? And the B, draw the magnetic field lines produced around a bar magnet. These are the 6 questions from chapter number 12 which can be asked on question number 53 of your board exams. Moving for the next one, that is chapter 13. 13, our environment can be asked on question number 54 of your board exams. Okay, which are those questions? How is ozone formed? Explain with an equation. And this second part of the first one is explain biological magnification in brief. So this is easiest chapter, but precisely which are the 6 questions to be prepared are here. And उसमें से important one कौन से है? The second one, which is that what is an ecosystem and state the components of an ecosystem. The third one gives scientific reason. The flow of energy in an ecosystem is always unidirectional, and CFC are considered as a main component responsible for depletion of ozone layer. Right? Moving for the next one, that is fourth question, which is again star mark. That means important, which is that what is an ozone hole, which compounds are responsible for the depletion of ozone layer, and what is food web, explain in brief. 2 concepts are asked in the same question, and that's why I'm telling it is required to be prepared well. Moving for the fifth one, answer the following question: what problems can be caused by non-biodegradable waste generated by us? Okay, and the next one is why is the depletion of ozone layer a cause concern for us? And moving for the next one, sixth one, what are trophic levels? Give an example of food chain and state the trophic levels in it. The second 2 marker is what are decomposers and what is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem. The chapter is very easy, but these 6 questions also important, whose questions can be asked on question number 54 of your board exams. Moving for the next one, before that, after 10th standard, if you are planning for taking science and or if you have your siblings in say 6th standard to 10th standard, the best place where you can take admission is Divine Academy. अब डिवाइन एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे बच्चे को पढ़ना अच्छा लगने वाला है. So if you want to take science और फिजिक्स से थोड़ा डर लगता है, तो इस फिजिक्स की वजह से साइंस लेना नहीं छोड़ना है, आपको ज्वाइन करना है डिवाइन, क्योंकि फिजिक्स के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करने के लिए दिस इज द प्लेस, दैट इज डिवाइन. फिजिक्स ही नहीं, अगर मैथ्स है फॉर लोअर स्टैंडर्ड, साइंस है, एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट फ्रॉम बेसिक क्लियर होते हैं फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स who are in GSEB, CBSE, ICSE can come and are welcome at Divine. Divine Academy is located in Vadodara and Rajkot. You can visit the institute. इंस्टीट्यूट विजिट करने का कोई चार्ज नहीं है और वैसे भी हमारी फीस भी बहुत कम है, बिकॉज ओवर हियर वी वांट मार्क्स एज अ रिवॉर्ड. ओके, सो you are welcomed at Divine. Visit the academy and have the admission as soon as possible. क्यों है ऐसा? क्योंकि the admissions are filling fast. कभी ऐसा होगा कि आप लेट जाके और एडमिशन फुल हो गया तो. Okay, so for that an inquiry you can call on 9888728886 or 9888758886. इजी है ना फोन नंबर, फटाफट से कॉल करो और अपना एडमिशन कंफर्म कर लो अभी से. ओके, मूविंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. In the science paper section C, in that section C, you will get 3 marker question. In that 3 marker question, you will have to attempt 6 questions out of given 9 questions. 9 question दिए गए होंगे, उसमें से आपको 6 question लिखने हैं, and that 6 questions, each one would be carrying 3 mark. अब ये 3 marker question अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करने हैं, तो कौन से चैप्टर्स देखने हैं? आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 से 46 में 3 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाने वाले हैं, और उसके लिए कौन सा चैप्टर पकड़ने वाले हैं हम? दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 1, चैप्टर नंबर 3, 6, 7, 9 and 11. एंड दोज व्हिच आर हैविंग एस्टेरिस्क, उस चैप्टर में से 2 क्वेश्चंस आने की शक्यता है. कौन से है वो क्वेश्चंस? चैप्टर नंबर 3, 7 and 9. नाउ इंडिविजुअली देखते हैं कौन से चैप्टर में से which questions are important. Chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations. whose question can come on number 38 of your board exams. I am here with 6 questions. Out of that, I have 2-star questions. फटाफट से नोट डाउन करो. Which are it? What is a balanced chemical equation and why should a chemical equation be balanced? Why? And write one equation each for disposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. Individually, each and everything has to be explained. Now comes important star marked question, which is what is a displacement reaction? आना ही चाहिए. What is a displacement reaction and double displacement reaction and what is the difference between them? Write equation for these reactions. And one more important, that is what is corrosion, and explain it and state the method to prevent corrosion. Practice and write it well. 5th one, what are oxidation and reduction reactions? Explain with example. 6th is what are exothermic and endothermic reactions? Give examples. These are the questions from chapter number 1. Moving for the next one, chapter 3, metals and non-metals, जिसका question आ सकता है on question number 39 and 40 of your board exams. Those 7 questions are here for you. The first one, describe the method of electrolytic refining for purification of copper with labeled diagram. Diagram if not written, not drawn, then marks would be cut. Then it comes as, give 6 points of difference among metals and non-metals. 6 points. Okay. Then comes the important one, explain the formation of sodium chloride molecule. Very important. Okay. Then explain the formation of magnesium chloride by the transfer of electrons. And the 5th one is define and explain the following terms. Which are those? Minerals, ore and gangue. Moving for the 3rd one. 6th, state the methods to prevent the corrosion of metals. And one most important, the 7th question is, a jeweler makes 22 karat gold ornaments and charges customers the price of 22 karat gold. His business grows due to his behavior. Based on this, answer the following questions. The first one is, why can we not make ornaments from 24 karat gold? The second one is, name 2 metals that can be added to make gold ornaments. And C, which quality or value of jewelers is reflected in this behavior? So these 3 important questions are to be practiced well. Moving for the next chapter, chapter number 6, control and coordination, whose question can appear on question number 41 of board paper. Which are those? Those are, I'm here with 6 questions with 2-star marked important ones. The first one is, which hormone is secreted during fighting or running situation? State its effect in animal body. Okay. Next, draw a well-labeled, you have to label it well, not missing any one of it, diagram of neuron and write a note on it. Neuron, कभी-कभी students neuron की जगह पे nephron draw करके आ जाते हैं, तो stay alert for that. Okay. The third one, the important star marked question is, how are involuntary actions and reflex action different from each other? 4th one, name the 3 main parts of human brain and explain the functions of each. And 5th one, star marked with an IMP question of this chapter, what is reflex action and explain with example. 6th one is, draw a diagram of human brain and label its part. Okay. Moving for the next one, chapter number 7, how do organisms reproduce, whose questions would be appearing on question number 42 and 43 in your board paper. Which are those? What you have to prepare and which you don't have to miss are this one. What is asexual reproduction? Explain the wording and spore formation with the help of diagrams. Second one, Important. Star marked one. Draw a diagram of female reproductive system and describe its structure. You have to practice drawing it very fast, specifically and well labeled, because it is having a star mark there. Okay. Third one, explain the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Fourth one, briefly describe the 3 methods of contraceptives. And the fifth one, explain the reproduction by regeneration method in planaria with diagram. And the sixth one, important one, what is puberty? State the changes which are observed during puberty. And you have to learn the changes for girls and boys and common for girls and boys. So, okay, all the changes you should know, and you can have to define what is puberty, and that is an important question. Don't miss it. Moving for the seventh one, what is sexual reproduction different from asexual reproduction, and state the limitation of sexual reproduction. What are its limitations? These are the questions from chapter number 7. Moving for the next, that is chapter 9, light, reflection and refraction, whose question can come on question number 44 and 45, and these are those 7 most important questions. First one, a student burns a paper using a lens in a sunlight. The first one is state the type of lens used by the student. Second one, state the position of the image formed in this phenomena. And the third one, draw the ray diagram for this phenomenon. Okay. Moving for the next question, that is the second one, explain the refraction of light through rectangular glass slab with a diagram. The third one, the star marked one, is what is refraction of light, and write the laws of reflection of light. And the fourth one is draw a ray diagram to show the position and the nature of image formed when an object is placed between the C and F in front of a concave mirror. Okay. Fifth one, draw a ray diagram of the image formed when an object is placed at the center of curvature C in front of a concave mirror. State the position, nature, size of the image. These are important question. अब करना नहीं करना आप पे भी dependent है, लेकिन अगर किया, it is going to be useful. Moving on to the next one, star marked again. That is 6th question. कौन सा है वो देखते हैं. Name the type of mirror used in the following situation and give an appropriate reason for. Number 1, headlight of a car. Number 2, side or rear view mirror of a vehicle, and solar furnaces. And the 7th one is numericals. You don't have to take it lightly. These numericals are important. Numerical problems from this chapter. Go for examples 9.1, 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4. 9.1, 2, 3 and 4. Examples of the textbook important. And exercise question 10, 12, 14, 15 and 17. Practice and make it perfect to get the marks from this chapter. Moving for the next one, that is chapter number 11, electricity, whose question can appear on question number 46. Which are those questions and that you have to practice are: derive the formula for equivalent resistance for a parallel connection of resistor. The second one, which is important, is explain the series connection of resistors and derive the formula for equivalent of resistance of the series connection. Third, what is the heating effect of electric current? Why are the coils of electric toasters and electric irons made up of an alloy rather than the pure metal? The reason is asked over here. And the fourth question is, explain the practical applications of heating effect of electric current with examples. And the fifth one is star marked question, that is, state Ohm's law, derive its formula. Explain how it is useful in defining the SI unit of resistance. This is the important one, star marked, right? Over here, coming for the numericals again, take the examples very seriously and practice example 11.2, 11.4, 11.6, 11.7, 11.9, 11.11 and 11.13. These examples you have to practice it well. Apart from that, the exercise questions like question number 9, question number 12, 13, 15, 16 and 17 are important. on numerical based question which can come from this chapter on question number 46 of your board exams. Before that, again saying it, if you are finding a place where the student can get something related to foundation of their studies, apart from that boards, we go for GACB also, CBSE, ICSE and even spoken English for all age groups are done at Divine, right? Apart from that, we are having our academy at Vadodara and Rajkot and fees are very minimal and admission भी हो रहे हैं, तो फटाफट से admission के लिए विजिट करिए डिवाइन एकेडमी. अगर आप अभी विजिट कर रहे हैं बिफोर योर एग्जाम रिजल्ट और आप कंफर्मेशन दे रहे हैं फॉर द एडमिशन एंड इफ यू आर स्कोरिंग more than 90%, then we can give you discount up to 90% in the fees. So don't be late and book your admission as soon as possible before you get your 10th standard board exam result, right? तो ये तो अच्छा है ना, so don't miss it, okay? Now, section B, 2 marker question and you have to attempt 9 questions out of total 13 questions and that would be coming on the question paper from 25 to 37. Preparing for 2 marker question, you have to concentrate on chapter 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, 12 and 13 and those which are having asterisk would be having more than 1 question. So which are those with asterisks? Those are chapter number 5, chapter 7, 11, 12 and 13 can have 2 questions from each chapter. And if you want to prepare these 2 marker questions very well, बहुत ही अच्छे से preparation करना है, then you have to open देव सत्या पेपर से. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि कहाँ से मिलेगा, यहाँ से मिलेगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है. 149 रुपीज में मिलता है. अगर आप पेमेंट कर देते हैं तो 10 मिनट वेट करना है. यू विल गेट इट विद इन 10 मिनट्स. फॉर सम रीजन 10 मिनट्स में नहीं आया, देन यू कैन व्हाट्सएप ऑन दिस नंबर और यू कैन मेल इट ऑन diwalipura@gmail.com. अगर अभी इसको नहीं लिया देन आपकी तैयारी अधूरी रह जाएगी क्योंकि 2 मार्कर एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर इन दिस बुक which you don't have to wait for practicing. Okay, Dev Satya paper set available in the link given below in the description. Very precise and very nominal price, that is in 149 rupees only. इससे महंगा तो पिज्जा भी आता है ना. Moving for the next section A, 1 marker question carrying 24 marks. Okay, for that how to prepare question number 1 to 6 would be having MCQ that can be from the chapter 2, 4, 5, 11, 10 and 10. And question number 7 to 12 would be blanks can be from the chapter 4, 12, 5, 8, 9 and 3. Question number 13 to 16 may have true or false and that true or false can be from the chapter 3, 7, 10 and 2. Moving for the next, that is 17 to 20, one word can be included from the chapter 6, 8, 10 and 11 and question number 21 to 24 might have matched the following, that would be from chapter 6, 6, 13, 13. 2 from each chapter, 2 from 6, 2 from 13. But if you want to prepare this objective well, I told you earlier, Dev Satya paper set, practice is the best way to get good marks. And if you want to prepare well for the objectives also, in this description we have link for last year's Brahmastra series and Vavazudu. You have to click that and start practicing for the objectives also, right? And over here we are coming to the end of the session and here we are coming to the end of the session and these were the EIP questions for science. अगर प्रैक्टिस करना है you are going to get good marks, लेकिन अभी आप पे ऊपर है, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है तो तो करिए, नहीं करना है तो यू आर गोइंग टू मिस आउट समथिंग। लॉस आपका है, अब आपको सोचना है आपको क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है। और इसके साथ अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि आपके साथ उनके भी मार्क्स बढ़ सके। शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग। फटाफट से इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए। वी हैव लाइक टारगेट ऑफ 5000 लाइक्स। अगर 5000 लाइक होगा तभी मैं SS के IMP क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊंगी। So I'm going to check for 5000 like and then only I would be coming with the SS IMP, which is also very important and it is going to help you to get good marks. So it's up to you. और ऐसे ही नए वीडियो के लिए वापस मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए बाय।